In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert an video to MP3 for free and super easy. I'll be using VLC Media Player. If you already have it, that's good. You will have it there. If not, no worries. Visit videolearn.org. We'll leave the link in the description. Download it for free. Once installed, open it up. Go up on the top left and click Media. Go down and select Convert/Save. In the Open Media dialog, let's click Add and select the video we want to convert. Whatever you've got, whether MP4, KMV, AVI, select the video and click Open. After adding your video, click Convert/Save. Then in the next window, choose your profile or upload format. We will select Audio MP3 since we want to convert the video to MP3 file. Now let's hit Browse to pick where we want the MP3 file to go. Name it something cool or whatever you like. I'll name it MP4 to MP3. All set. Let's click Start. VLC will start converting your video to MP3. You can track the progress below here. The processing is finished. Let's check it out. Double-click to open a file to make sure the video was converted to MP3. Now, you've got yourself a clean MP3 from your video. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more tutorials like this.